Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making another amazing pasta that's easy to make but absolutely worth trying, chicken alfredo pasta. So without any delay, let's jump right in. Start by taking 500 grams of chicken breast and seasoning it with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Then in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, place the seasoned chicken breast in and cook them on low flame until both sides are golden and fully cooked. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside for later use. Now in a separate pot, bring water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir in 500 grams of fettuccine pasta. Cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's tender but still slightly firm to the bite. Before draining, save 1 cup of pasta water for later. Then strain and set the pasta aside. Using the same pan in which we cooked the chicken, add 1/4 cup of butter. Once melted, add 5 finely chopped garlic cloves and saute for 15 to 20 seconds until lightly golden and fragrant. Next, pour in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Stir well. Add 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes creamy. Now add the cooked pasta to the sauce. Pour in the 1 cup of reserved pasta water and season with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together and let it simmer for 1 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats the pasta beautifully. Slice the cooked chicken breast and place them on top of the pasta. Finally, garnish with 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And there you go, your delicious Alfredo pasta is ready to be served. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to share this recipe with friends and family. Happy cooking and see you next time.